Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday. It's supposed to be the day of rest, but as you can see, I'm not resting because the devil be working, but God be working harder, so am I. I gotta go to work. I got like a couple other little things that I need to do, so I said less Sunday vlog. My voice is still manly man because I literally just got up like not that long ago, took a shower, all that stuff, and now I'm getting dressed. Sunday gives wear anything to work because really nobody be there except for like my team, because part of what I do is like in an office, so most people work like Monday through Friday type stuff. So sweatpants, t-shirt, Nike slides, that's what it's giving. Y'all don't know, but I was sick for like pretty much a whole month and I did not do anything to my hair. So last night I tried to do a little something with this wig. I had to cut so much lace off because it's not giving. It's really time for a new one, and I'm actually going to curl it because it's not in the condition to get straight. I mean, not to get straight, because it could, like if I wanted to I can make this look like something, but I'm really just gonna get by with this until I order a new one, probably today. But since it's Sunday, it gives, I can wear a hat to work, so. Cage spent the night at his grandmother's house, so I gotta pick him up, and I'm about to try to like clean up a little bit while he's not here because I can't do it really when he's here. I know y'all can see I got all of these packages. This is actually business inventory, and I don't know if I'm gonna make that like content or not. I haven't decided yet. So I washed Cage's like car seat parts or whatever, and now I'm about to go down the street from my house and vacuum the car out so it can be at least moderately clean, because the way my car be looking is not okay. So I'm gonna go vacuum the car out and then go get my kid. Yeah, this motherfucking car wash is so crowded, it don't make no sense. First of all, it's 12. Okay, let me not judge everybody else, but I know me. If I didn't have to go to work, how are all of these people up and out on a Sunday at 12:27? Like, up is fine, but up and out and at the car wash, like, my morning been hectic if you ask me. They have a car wash part 2, but it's self-serve, and guess that's out. It's definitely not clean, but it's a lot cleaner than it was, because it was a whole lot of like crumbs and stuff, and now it's just like less crumbs. But that vacuum cleaner was weak, so we gonna try again at some point, but for now it can be adequate. Hopefully I can go and get my car like detailed cleaned by somebody at some point, but life don't be giving enough time for that. Thank you. Buzz. He bought me a flower. Ready? Alright, y'all. So, okay, just picked up. We got Buzz. Buzz? Buzz? Okay, just picked up. We still got like more time than I thought we would have. So, we are about to go to the farmer's market. Come on. It's a cat. Come on, you wanna look at flowers? Cage. Come on. We are in the farmer's market and he's having a blast. He was sleeping in the car, and as soon as I got him out the car, he looked around and zoomed off. So we're walking through the farmer's market. I'm hopefully gonna get some like fruit for the week and stuff, whatnot, and yeah. Get in your seat. No, you gotta get in your seat. Alright, so farmer's market was cool. It's a smaller farmer's market, like on the side of the road, not far from my house. There is a bigger one that I'm gonna go to at some point, but now we're gonna go across the street, like literally directly across the street to Food Lion to just get some little extra stuff, because I got a lot of stuff for salad from the farmer's market. But I'm gonna get some dressing, and then we're gonna go home because we still have time. And then I'm gonna make my lunch, probably give him some fruit that we got. You drop Buzz? Mommy got it. Not drop him off home. Go home, give him some fruit, make me a salad, and then it'll be pretty much time for us to like head out and for him to go to my parents and me to go to work. So I got kale and beyond. I got kale, so they didn't have them in the farmer's market. I got cheese, got enough, I had any. I got French dressing because I had Caesars all last week, and a toothbrush because I need a toothbrush. That's what I got from Food Lion. And then from the farmer's market, I got these plums. I got all of these tomatoes because it was only $5 for all of them. I got some ginger. I don't even like ginger, but they go in my food. To infinity and beyond. I got cucumbers. I got a big old fat watermelon, and I got these carrots. And I was like $25 for everything from the farmer's market, and then $12 in Food Lion. And one of the things I got was toothbrush. I mean, my groceries this week, $30. Top tier. Going to the farmer's market from here on out. There's another farmer's market that I want to go to, and I'm gonna do that at some point soon. But I got about an hour or so before we gotta like get out, so I'm gonna try to whip up a salad real quick, and probably we're gonna cut into one of these plums and see what it's hitting for us. Alright, so I got my vegetables cut. That's like not enough for the whole week, but like I'm gonna cut more later in the week, but it's definitely enough for today. And then I also started just cooking me some breakfast too, because I actually didn't eat anything yet, and I know he already ate. So I'm about to cut into one of these plums, and I'm gonna make me some spinach with my breakfast too. And I'm gonna make my salad, and then we out of here. It's we're doing so great on time. I actually got way more done today than I thought it would. I think vlogging actually helped me do more, because like I knew I was trying to make the vlog. Where's your other shoe? Here, wait. Don't lick it, bite it. Is it good? Cage, is it good? Not sure. It's good, but like it's tired. It's not sweet yet. I feel like if I leave them like sitting longer, don't they get like pink in the inside and like sweet? I guess we'll find out later this week. He's definitely gonna come back for more though. That's my salad. Probably later in the week I'll usually like add shrimp or add salmon or whatever, but for today this is just my salad, and I got the French dressing, you feel me? I want to get like healthy brand dressings, but I really don't know what's not horrible for you. So in the meantime, salad is close enough. I really want to clean up my diet altogether. Like I want to stop eating meat. The only reason I don't want to go pescatarian is because it's a lot of parasites in fish. Hold on, I'm packing my lunch. And I've been eating meat my whole life, so like it's not easy to just be like, well, I'm done cutting it out. So right now I'm just focusing on like at least trying to eat better than I was before. I know I got pork sausages for breakfast, but that's only because Paige's grandmother, she knows that we like those kinds, so she bought those from the store, and she didn't know that like I'm not trying to eat pork no more, so we're definitely gonna eat them. All right, so we got like 20 minutes before we gotta leave the house, so I just cut up the rest of that plum for him because I know he already ate, and of course he loves these sausages too. Here, get off my plate. Here, it's hot. So I'm gonna scarf down my breakfast. I've got fried eggs, sausages, sauteed spinach, and he got that, and he gonna eat some of this too. Lunch is packed. This other stuff, like my book bag from work and his book bag with his stuff in it, is all in the car already. So I'm gonna stop talking and eat because I really don't have a lot of time. So he's in, he's got his little snack. His bag is just like diapers, wipes, pajamas, cups, and then he has like some fruit snacks in here, and then I drop him off with his slippers and then like another set of warmer clothes in case they go somewhere. My workbook bag. Where is my purse though? Oh, it's over there on the floor. We should have left out like literally just like maybe 5 minutes earlier, but we're still not like running late. I'm almost certain he's gonna freak out because he literally freaks out every time I drop him off anywhere, even though he only gets dropped off at the same places. So like I don't even understand. He literally goes to my parents every Sunday. They get like him and my nephew usually. Then he freaks out every time, but like he's fine. Minutes after I leave, it's like he be purposely not wanting me to go to work. And don't worry baby, because I don't want to go. All right, so as suspected, he did fine, and then as soon as I blew a kiss and said bye-bye, he burst into tears and I got out of there. But he got both his cousins in there, and then Pop got all types of fruit, and they make cupcakes and all that, so he about to be fine in like 5 seconds, and I'm running 4 minutes behind, but you know I make that up on the highway.